When you create a website, do you have this question in mind, why content is important for SEO? So in this video, I will tell you why content is important for SEO. So let's get started for this video. Those are new to my channel, I have to introduce myself to you. My name is Sneha Joshi, technical person and turned to be a digital marketer. So let's get started for this video. There is a lot of confusion between the marketers that content marketing and SEO is completely different strategy. But I strongly believe that they both are adjacent to each other. Just like breathing to our body, you cannot survive in SEO without the content. Here we can see the key benefits of content marketing in SEO. In the end of this video, I have included the most important tips for content marketing in SEO. So watch this video till the end. So let's get started for the key benefits of content marketing in SEO. Quality content gives you higher CTR. CTR means click-through rate. To improve this rate, you need to have a good quality subject line. Google considers how many times your content is shown to your audience and how many times they are more likely to click on it. The more your CTR, the chances of getting into rank is increases. The good quality contents help you to generate the highest CTR. Let me show with an example so you can understand it better. For example, if any person searches for how to make a donut and your blog is ranked into third position, or someone blogs is positioned at first, and user clicks on the third position blog like your blog, so your chances of getting into rank is increases because the user does not click on the first position, it clicks on the third position, that is your blog. So your blog is have the high quality content, so Google give the preference to your blog to get into rank. SEO demands for backlinks and high quality content are able to generate the backlinks. If you want to rank higher in Google or any search engine, then you need to have a stunning content and link back to other websites that are related to that blog. If you want to know how to create the backlinks, then you can see my previous video where I can mention all the detailed information about how to create the backlinks. Let me show here with an example so you can understand it better. For example, you have write a blog on 100 types of exercises do at home. You can approach 2 different 100 experts and get one idea from each expert and include those idea in your blog, like 100 types of exercises do at home. So you can again, after writing the content, you can approach to the different experts which you have given the idea and ask them to link back your blog to their website content, so you can get a backlink from their page. SEO needs technical optimization and the content marketing needs user experience. People search, read and consume content these days on mobile, so your website need to be SEO optimized and mobile optimized. You need to think of user experience perspective too. How SEO is attached to content marketing. You need a good sitemap so people can easily navigate between your website pages. Also you need a robot.txt file, so Google crawler should know that which pages they want to crawl or which pages they don't want to crawl. Also you need to use the heading tags in your content, so more people read your content. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video with more tips regarding SEO. So connect with me on different social media channel, link is given in the description below. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please click on the bell icon so you get an update of my new video. Thank you so much.